Sorry. I know. I'm a little bit late again. I apologize. Again, I'm trying to get this damn shark video. It takes a little bit longer than you think. But point is, we're here, and oh my gosh. And we are ready to do this thing. I mean, my hair's on its own mission today, but that's okay. We continue. Like I said, I basically just put my hair up, past my glasses, and my jam little thingy-mabobby falls out and it annoys me. So, yeah. The point is, let us do this thing. Chicken wing. Yes, I just said chicken wing. Because we're gonna do this thing. Okay, so first things first. Let me do this. Okay. Ta-da, 1. Then. Good morning. What's up, Boom? How you doing? Good morning, Boom. Oh, thank you. Yep. I think it's just teach Maya trading. Debbie? Yeah, sorry. Nothing super duper cool. Ta-da. Okay. We're good to go. Engineers are already investigating the problem. Please open a contract with an expiration. Oh, interesting. Huh. There's a tick size issue. Okay, I don't think it really affects me too much, so that's fine. Just interesting. Hey, Umka, what's up? How you doing? Rishan and Louie. 2 cent trading, what's up? And Lons. How's South Africa? South Africa is good. I can't complain. For everyone that's just hopped on.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Are we ready for this thing? Let's do this. Okay, a little lost yesterday. Damn, it's fine. We move on to the next. Like I said, today's goal is so stupid simple, but it's probably one of the biggest challenges. It's just overcome. Like I said, yesterday my whole thing, or my whole issue, was that I literally almost got like, it froze. I would see a perfect setup and I just wouldn't take it. So today is, you see the setup, just take it. It's one contract, it doesn't matter. You know what, if this funded account blows, it does not matter. So basically, do not let the emotions win. That's basically the goal for today. Okay, let's quickly mark out the thingy-mabloopies first. So I'm gonna just also turn off my barb level. Quick sticks. Okay. Okay, we have a little bit of a new daily opening gap right here. Okay, so there's our new daily opening gap. Cool. London high was very much taken yesterday as well, so that's done. Oh, it did kind of struggle to break. Oh my gosh. Oh, Asia session did not look like fun to trade today. Ew. Okay. Coca-Cola. Hey, sorry. Maya, did you get my earlier message about I need to conquer my fear? That one? Robocop, what the hell, Lewis? Hi. What's up with KO? Lance, what do you mean KO? Yeah, I know, I need to. I will do it. I will do it. Yesterday, twice times the fear took over, and those twice times would have both been winning trades. But then the next one I took was a loss, and you know what, it's fine. It is what it is. So midnight. Ew, okay. Okay, marked out midnight. Then I just need to quickly mark out the sessions. So here is Asia high. Oh damn, Asia low is basically also relative equal. Well, close enough. Okay. London high already marked out. New York low. And previous day high. Okay. If I missed anything. No. Awesome source. New weekly opening gap I have just popped across for now. Let me actually mark out these relative equal lows as well while I'm at it. And just like that, voila. Key points are marked out. Let's do a quick top to bottom analysis. I'm going to just close everything for a minute. Get rid of some of the noise. So let's quickly check the daily. Okay. Just, okay. Goodbyes, hopefully it plays out. Oh, thanks, Boom. Okay, no, you're right. That is the thing. And I know that. I know that. I think that's what's the most frustrating thing, is that I know it. But literally in that moment, I wish I could explain it. It's literally like everything just froze and I was like, I can't move. So I'm glad I took a trade yesterday. I know it was a loss, but I took it. That is my only goal for today. Just take the trade. 1 micro even. Does not matter. Just take the damn trade. That is my only goal for today. If they are all losses, I do not give a damn. The only point is that I take the trades. That is my only goal for today. And you know what? That shouldn't be a difficult goal to have. But trading is very interesting. Hey, Beach Man! Good trade MGC now. I want to sleep, but I want to keep watching it. Happy Wednesday, Beach Man! That is so cool. So you trade MGC. How's it been treating you, basically? 2 micros. With the bob to bob. Hey, Ramzan, what's up? And Mr. Ski. Good morning. There we go. That gave me a fright. I was like, what on earth was that noise? Okay, so there's the daily. Let's check the 4 hour quickly. Aw, 2-cent trading? You're amazing. Thanks for the dono. Do you know what you get? You get fireworks because you're amazing. Shout out to you for the dono. Anyways. Good morning, everybody.
Hi.
That's just hopped on.
Hi. Good morning.
We can take a trade together. Okay, boom. Gok, what's up? Good morning. It's early in the morning. Did you go for thread? It's not early. It's like 9 a.m. for me. Yeah, so 4 hour, like I said. Wow, yesterday really did not move that much at all. Hello, my sweetie pie. We have a periwinkle in the building. Boop, 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 boop. Like that. Yeah, yesterday did not move that much. I wonder if we're actually just really slowly gonna close this gap, in which case bears are in play. Let's see. Okay, just break things, it's fine. Okay, sorry. Focus, so 4 hour, 1 hour. Let's check the 1 hour. Okay, there's a little bit of an imbalance here that we've basically closed now. There's that relative equal low. Ooh, it's kind of aiming for those relative equal lows at the moment. Interesting, double wick at the top here. Okay. 15 minute. Crazy 12 a.m. Yeah, damn. I thought the dog was your kid. He is my kid. Excuse me? That is my child. I am a mother. Right there, my fur baby. Huh. Let's see now. Hey, hello, G, what's up? $15 Ah, interesting. I would have actually liked to see it retrace back up to the VWAP. Oh well. 5 minute. And 1 minute. Checked it twice off of those. Bob to bob, literally. Bob's bob failed to break above at the current moment, rejected off of midnight open. Okay, let me mark out 3 a.m. quickly. Sorry, this is to do with the grass that I ordered. Having horses is a pain in the butt sometimes. Okay. Give me 2 seconds. Done. Now we're ready. You have kids. I didn't know. No, Louis, my child is my dog and my horse. I do not have kids. Literally no thanks. Anyways. Literally my child is bugging me right now because he's just taken over the floor. I'm good. Great indicator MQ. It's the mirror. Do I spoil my guys? Well, seeing as my kid is my dog, yes, he gets spoiled. What strategy do I use? Ooh, so I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. But okay, bit of a big but over here. Recently, I have been dabbling with bob to bob levels, which is some secret sauce. I can't really give too much away. It's been working out though. Well, so far. Let's see if we get a little bit more volume. Come on, I'm all pumped to take trades today. Give us something good. Give us something good. So, Kirby, are you good? Just a guy with a... There we go. At least now that's sorted, that's sorted, that's sorted. Maya, why don't you have a guest on stream? Well, recently it's because my Wi-Fi just would not cope with it. In all honesty. Mark Dalton Theory, okay, please, never heard of it. Oh! Color, sure, no problem. I will show you now. Bash, what's up? Why is it secret source gonna sell the indicator? No, just, well, it's not mine and he asked me to keep it a secret. That's about it. I think he was gonna sell the indicator, but the deal he then made was when I reached 20k subscribers? 25k subscribers. He would make it free to all. I mean, his gold levels are free. Hey, High Life, good morning. What's up? How you doing? How you doing? Have a great Wednesday. Heck yeah, High Life. Sorry, I always say Wednesday is Wednesday. I don't know why. You know, apart from the fact that I'm weird, I guess, but that's about... Come on. I was all pumped. I was like, yes, today's the day. Today's the day. Today's the day. And now we're not moving. Okay. Let's be real. Your Wi-Fi? Boop. Obama has subscribers on TradingView. Not yet, Louis. Not yet. I don't think. Out of curiosity, I actually wonder... I mean, 8 people are now using his Gold Rush level, which is very, very cool. Yeah. There's also Bob's silver levels, if anyone trades silver. I haven't checked how it's looking on gold right now. Hey Karth, what's up? Did you send me a message on Discord? If not, I did not message you, which means it might be a scammer. Just be aware, Karth. Do I trade currency pairs? No, I don't, sorry. Sorry, Fash, just the Nasdaq futures. For now. Be aware, people, if you do, you know. Yeah, let's see. If you do go onto the Discord, please just be aware. I think it's please just be aware that they are scammers. And they're very irritating. So, you know, everyone be on the lookout. Okay, be on the lookout.
That's what she said.
Let's do this. Is this a futures prop firm? Yes, it is. Hello, G, it is. It is indeed. Hello, what do you trade? Do you trade... Yeah, what do you trade? By the way, guys, is anyone in a trade right now? Asking for a friend? This is entertaining. And by entertaining, I mean, oh my gosh. Okay, so it actually might go back up to VWAP. Ooh, back into the new daily opening gap. Ooh. 'Tis promising. It is a little less promising, but still something. Let's see. Yes, I just... Ah, sorry about that, Koth. me NQ buys. Oh, okay, cool. You're along from 243.40. Damn, that's a good trade. We got in at 5-1. I'm in gold longs. I'm in an imaginary trade in another dimension. I hear that. I trade forex, been thinking about futures, but I need to educate myself more before I dabble. Okay, who has traded both forex and futures? Who in the chat has traded both forex and futures? I am curious about. Oh, look at that. That actually would have been quite a nice trade. Yeah, but you know, woulda, coulda, shoulda. Let's follow this up. Follow that there. What's this look like on the 5-minute? Shoot, if entry was a little bit higher, this would actually not be terrible. Unless it does that. That does not look great. Okay, let's do that. Okay, double wicks. Oh, I need to watch for it tapping into VWAP on ES as well. Nice and golden long from. Oh, nice lavender. Yesterday I got my 50k gun. Yay! Well done. Oh no, what happened, Samuel? Me, I have. Okay, and oh, Debbie says futures is better, hands down. Okay. Okay, people that have traded in forex and futures, what do you think is better? Maybe that's a bit of a difficult question. I traded forex and crypto, then I went to therapy. Kalaji, how long have I been trading for? 11 months. Going on a year. Oh my gosh, guys, we're going on a year. What do you think we should do to celebrate a year of trading? I've tried using good grief. Okay. Okay, so there we go. So, oh, Lego says forex is better. That's interesting. Debbie said, wow. Okay, so Debbie said that futures is better. Anyone else? And well, you get a whoop whoop for getting your 50k count. Do a 24-hour live stream again. No. I can't do that again, guys. I cannot do a 24-hour live stream again. I might die. Okay, you did nice. Futures is better, but only because I like trading with the dom and seeing volume. Interesting. Okay, what's a fun fact? Go on, Boom. Tell me a fun fact. Going really nicely. Full port your account. No. What has been your most difficult obstacle in your 11 months? Oh, definitely my mind. My overthinking and now the... I just want to call it analysis paralysis. We both started in futures last year in April. No ways. What did you trade before, Boom? Mike the Goat, welcome, welcome, welcome. How you doing? What does this look like on the 5-minute now? The freaking solid rejection off of there. Solid rejection off of there. Forex is decent if you're good with broker with tight spreads like 100%, but if spread ain't tight, futures is better. Interesting. And Boom, which one do you prefer? I would like to say futures are better for beginners and a risk factor and experience, but it may require more capital. Interesting. So it's kind of like a double-edged sword. Yeah, that's interesting. Zero spreads on currency majors. There we go. Sorry, we're in a little bit of a, I don't want to say a debate. Oh, do you know what we can also do? Let's do a poll. Futures or Forex. This is going to be quite controversial, but anyways. Okay, well, let's see what we get. Not a two-range rotation. Trade is not the safe for me, but I take it. Futures all day, no spreads. There we go, Louis. Okay, still rejecting off of there. Look on the 5 minutes, still 2 minutes to go. Solidly tapped into this level, but it keeps retesting it. Louis, where's your TP at, by the way? I didn't even ask where your TP is at. Have you had TP? Hey! Hey! Nixon, I'm gonna call you Nixon. Good morning. Futures for sure, more transparency than Forex and raw data versus manipulation from Forex brokers. Interesting. Brokers actually encourage. Yes. Movie Geek, what market? Nasdaq futures. How's it going? 1 minute left. Let's see how this closes. Oh my gosh. Okay. Back to the 1 minute. Good rejection again, but it just keeps faltering slightly. In all honesty, up to there would be better. I mean, that's still a 2-hour freaking trade. Extend the stop loss slightly, give yourself a little bit of leeway. Mike the Goat, stay away today. It's a trap. Whoa, wait, is there news today? I didn't even ask. What's happening today? Do you think this is gonna keep going up? I'm now low-key keen on it going back down. Hey Shane, yeah, I took a trade yesterday. It did not go well, but that's okay. What do you think? Kind of chopped from that leg? Yeah, no, it's not great. Oh, cool. I'll go check now. Thanks. Thank you, Debbie. Oh, shoot. This kind of goes against my other trade plan. Huh. Respect it on the 5 minutes. Shame all about the market auction. Oh, sorry, Keller. I'll do it. Hey, Hannah, what's up? Price a bit inconsistent. Pretty trippy. I'm using it. Full port second entry. No. Are you crazy? I want to see how it reacts here. If it starts popping back up solidly at this 50%, then it's no-no. If this keeps going down though, this could be a goodie. Boom, you should have taken the trade with me. Oh my gosh. I didn't take it. What is wrong with me? I mean, that would have been instantaneous stop loss. Instantaneous. The 5 minute. So a little bit of a rejection off of that volume imbalance now. I mean, I could be cheeky and I could still take this, but that is very cheeky. That is very, very cheeky. I know, Debbie. Proper emotional damage. However, if this confirms that we are going bob to bob nicely, then we're good for London today. Then London is a go for bob to bob levels today, which is exciting. And it means I'm gonna be brave. I will be brave. Look at this mother fluffer go. I know! Boom, I'm making myself mad. Shoot. Those wicks aren't promising. Come on, Wi-Fi, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Boom, did you take that trade? Shoot. Struggling to break below. Yeah. Okay. Boom, trust, I'm making myself mad. Don't worry. Don't worry. Mike? What? Oh, not mine, sorry. Anush, what about your dad does that? What? Your dad does what? Oh, if this comes back up now, that could be quite nice. Shoot. Retrace slightly and we're good to go. If it does, let's see. This has 3. Oh, thanks, Kimlo. you don't take the next trade, I'm gonna leave a doctor back. I took this. Does this count? Boom. Yeah, Samuel, it's how do I explain it? Come on, retrace slightly and then go back down. Hey, good morning, David. What's up? Apart from screaming at me, which is valid. Either way, it is hands off. Okay, hi, Perry. Yes, that counts. Okay, cool. Cool. Glad it counts. I did not take this trade, David, but this has now not tagged me in yet. No, you know. Stay hands off for a second. Louis, if you're a member, if you're a member, yes. Then yes, you can. Hey, Bunny, what's up? So why Bunny? I'm curious about Bunny. Hands off. And leave it alone. Chris, you seem like you have to adopt me as your child. I really want to learn everything. What's your trading strategy? And that means adoption? First of all, I feel like I'm way too young to be anyone's mother. Just say. What is that thing you're doing? Trading? Is that what you're asking? You're asking about trading? Maybe just likes bunnies, maybe. Shoot. It's actually a better entry if it comes back up. If being the keyword there. What is a what do you mean? Trading? Like trading on the market? I'm very confused. Vizzy. Mike? Oh, Callus, I have to follow the... So I'm moving it because I have to follow the what's it called? The range. So that's why, so as it went down, I followed it down. Behind your dream, what's up? I love trading market. Oh! You don't see anyone's mother of my kids. Oh, sorry, my bad. Might be you. I'm gonna be in so much trouble. No. Is it no it? No. Or is it no at 416? Maybe it's that. Could be no at 416. Well. Let's see what happens. I have now set it and I'm going to forget it. Yes. Set and forget. Dunsies. Vizzy, can I teach you? I can teach you basics. I am no teacher. Guys, I am no teacher. If you need help with like your rules or if you need someone to yell at you, I'm not good at yelling, but I'm good at gently reminding. Hey, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be exact. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Ron. I appreciate it. Yeah, not bad. I wasn't so sure about it. Send signals now, not now. That will be down real good. I'm looking for a short, but okay. First and balance should give us new lower low. Go 100. Yeah, I'm unfunded. Go 100 Dream. What do you mean? I'm on a funded account if that's what. Hello, what happened? Would love to learn the basics. Oh, there we go. Aw. I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. What did I do? Also, shout out to David for the dodo. I'll give you fireworks, even though you're disappointed in me. If you want to also learn the basics, Vizzy, feel free to pop me a message in Discord. I do have a Discord, link is in the description of this video. If you do hop on the Discord, please just be aware that there are people, scammers, trying to, well, scam. I am very informal. I will be very chilled and chat very chilled, like I'm being weird, but you know what I mean. Yeah. Okay, well, let's see. It's now hands off, regardless of what happens. What's a favorite? Lion burgers. Did you just say a lion burgers? No? Where do I find you in your server? Just look for the owner, I guess, yeah? So do you want to have a good scam? I could join earlier, get up before it collapses. Louis, I can't believe you just asked about Lionberg. No, so I guess a famous South African dish would be the Babuti? No? Babuti is quite quakey as well. If you're like looking for horrendous things, but like it's not a common thing, but like mapani worms. Some people eat mapani worms. Asking for a friend. Do I trade gold? Hey Maddox, no sorry, I trade the Nasdaq futures. I am short, Samuel. In Mexico, they sell limey. That's disgusting. What's mapani? Oh no, you're thinking about babuti. Yeah, Hammer, I'm correct. Like babuti is like, how dare I forget? Bryes is like the South African thing, and Hammer, you're gonna be disappointed in the fact that I have not had a bry in a very, very long time. We've stop loss to break even. No, not yet. Only when this is taken. Yeah. Pop and Place. Yeah, Pop and Place is a good one. Wait a minute. Lavender, are you South African? Wait a damn second. What's the time frame? I'm on the 1 minute currently. Like if you're looking for unhinged things and stuff, that we have normal food, just by the way. Jordy was very upset with me because he says I keep just making it seem like South Africans eat weird and wonderful things. Anyways, if you're looking for unhinged things, like there is mapani worms, walkie-talkies, I actually don't know what else. But we have normal food here, just in case anyone was wondering. What? No ways, what made you move to Canada? Also, are you not absolutely frozen there? I'm with you in the short. Nice. Could you please explain the analysis behind this trade? Sweetens Ron, you're with me in the short. Many dishes and many cultures, so it's hard to pick one true hammer. That is valid. It's a little bit tricky to pick one. Oh dear. Looks like it might go back up. It's fine. I will explain now. I'm just actually trying to actively not look at the chart right now. Hey Gok, what's up? How you doing? I'm just waiting for a beep. Either in or I'm out. But I'm hands off until the beep. Parents moved to say 994 when stuff was going down in South Africa. I'm in Vancouver though, so not too cold. Oh damn, that's pretty cool. Do you remember South Africa that well, or meh? I really thought bobotie was like the South African dish. Apparently not. Normal food. I was ready to eat wild boar. I just saw pick 'em a party worm, but you know what? I'd give it a go. I've given it a go before. It's fine. Why not, right? Gotta try everything, like swimming with the shorts. Hey David M, what's up? How you doing? I was 13, so most of my childhood was there. You're not old, Lavender. Also, I've watched your videos. Good grief. Good grief, you quick. What do they taste like? Okay, let's just be real. I haven't had it in a very long time, but they were fine. Yeah, they were fine. Oxtail poiky. Ooh, oxtail poiky is good. But apart from that, we have like normal things as well. But yeah, probably the one thing about South Africa is fries. David, I don't think that works. There's a place in Pismo Beach Valley that sells grasshopper scorpions covered in chocolate. That's weird, but okay. I don't know what fine tastes like. Chicken. No, if I remember correctly, they were pretty bland. Yeah, no, we have very normal things here in South Africa. We have very, very normal things here. But yes, probably the key thing down here is to have braais. Everyone gets invited to have a braai. It's a big thing. I want to try snake wine. What the heck is snake wine? Oh, so like oatmeal cider. What the heck is snake wine? I'd be down for cricket flour, just don't tell me it's a cricket. Rooster broekie. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry. Braai broekies are dag nabbit. I saw that going for my stop loss. South African cricket. Aw, shoot. Okay, well, on the plus side, at least I took it. It was an A+ setup, so that's fine. Went into the new daily. Let me mark this out. Nope, that one. That's rude. Sis, David. How rude. Okay, so here. Oh, it had such a nice movement down. Pity. Pity, pity, pity. It would have been nice. Let me move this over. Still be in that somehow. Let me just delete that. Looked oh so promising to begin with. Let's see. Workout, cool. Okay. Okay, so I see it wanted to really double check. Well, double check. Really wanted to tap into VWAP. Now, do we go back up? Potentially. I have a question. What are you trades? What do you mean? The show is called Cooking with Maya. Are you predicting movements and buying when price is low and selling when price is high? Vizzy, no. So you try and get the retracement of the 50% and then continuation back down. So you do kind of need a bit of a continuation. So meh. Point is, I need at least 3 confluences for it to be an A+ setup, and I had them. It just didn't work out, and that's fine. It is what it is, apart from the fact that my balance is getting awfully close back to 500, but we're still in this. I can still save it. I can still save it. Don't ask me how, but I can still save it. We've got this. Find inner. Oh, it's getting close, but I'm not giving up on it yet. I will not give up on it. Even though it's getting close to being blown, it is what it is. Moving on. Hey Dev, yes, I do use a prop firm, and I'm currently funded with Top 1 futures. I once saved an account that came $11 into draw. What do you mean $11 into draw? Like it was $11 away from being blown, Lavender? Buy rejection off your previous stop loss level. Let's wait for a little bit more confirmation that we're gonna actually be going up now. It just tapped into the new daily opening gap and onto VWAP. And I guess it retested this bob level, so let's see what it does here. You're a pro at this trading thing. No, I'm not, but what's up? Hey, Yassine, what's up? To anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
11 away from blue. Oh my goodness, Lavender. See? It's not over until it's over. That's just what I'm going with. It's not over until it's over. Crypto Roach, what's up? Short scope. How long have I been trading this funded? I missed the start. I know you took trade live, but was that the same account? Hannah? Explain? But how long have I had this? A month and a half now, I think. Yeah, I think I've had this funded a month and a half. Yeah, I've been cradling it. It looked like it was going to come back to life, and now it died a little bit again, but let's see. It's not done yet. Is this USA futures? Yeah, I think. Lavender, that's also very impressive, but the point is, see, I cannot have the mindset of, ugh, I just want to blow this thing and move on, because that's really bad. It's, I can still save this thing. I will try my best to save this thing. If it doesn't survive, it is what it is. You move on to the next. It ain't over.
Emotional damage.
Louis?
That's what she said.
Gosh. Okay, well, just teleport a coin flip. Hammer, that's a very bad idea. Hello? What are you talking about? Oh, by the rejection of the previous stop loss. I mean, it not really moving. Like I said, it might now be stuck between these 2 points. Let's wait for confirmation before we do anything. Remember me when I reach out to you on Discord. Okay, Vizzy. What, have you reached out? I'm assuming not. Yep. Cool, Roger, got it. That's what she said. Listen here, listen here. You two are dangerous together. Hammer? I don't know if I told you about it, Hammer. Maybe I did. Osama bin... whatever. Fake, what's fake? What's happening? What's fake? I'm on live right now. Oh, cool, okay. You are not qualified for my live. Okay. That's cool. Fair Valley Gap was also tapped. Wasn't retraced solidly though. Let me have a look. So how I would have potentially done it was actually this. Yeah. So you can see it wouldn't have actually reached my entry point off of that. Actually wouldn't have been a bad trade. But would not have tagged me in. Especially not if I was there. Would not have tagged me in at all. Have you heard of the trading fair? I hadn't heard of it, but Jordy was like, yeah, he's been to a few, and I was like, what? There's a trading fair in South Africa. It's happening the 22nd of August. I don't know if I mentioned that to you. I was just like, that's pretty cool. I did not know that was a thing. Ocean, I'm saying stuff like that. And we'll be oceans apart. You're qualified for my live if that's any. Oh, Louis. I got you. I fully endorse. Damn it, be the next bot. Oh man, you guys are freaking hilarious.
Nice.
Anyways, what happens at a trading fair? Good question. Let me double check. Wait. Let me find it. Let me find it. Haha. What does it say? At the traders fair, what happens? An engaging series of educational and networking events across Asia and beyond, creating unmatched opportunities to learn, collaborate, and connect with the global trading community. Yeah. So there's like 500 speakers, 3,000 sponsors and participants, like 30 events. Yeah, seems very cool. There's seminars and educational panels. Yeah. I'll probably go just because I'm super curious. Can you become a billionaire? Are you buying a ticket to something base? And build Eddie. Well, first of all, I appreciate you saying that. I appreciate you saying or thinking that I will become a billionaire. I'll take it. People die at the fair. Google that, it's a movie. That sounds terrifying. Okay, cool. Thanks, Fizzy. Was carrying 145 quantity. Okay, cool. But yeah. I mean, there's a cocktail party, but there's free for normal people like me, where you can just go and experience the expo. Or there's like, you can pay $200 for a lunch and a cocktail party. I was like, no thanks. $200 is a lot down here. If I became a billionaire, I'll be sitting by the pool with a phone and a menu. I love that. I mean, if you guys genuinely had to become millionaires, what would you do? Okay, we now know what Hammer's gonna do. He's gonna sit with a phone by the pool and a menu. Nice. That's the reason I don't live. Okay. Ocean, confused? Donated as deductible. Okay, no, but seriously, okay, let's say there's no tax, no nothing. You have $1 million, it's yours. You've sorted everything else out, right? What would you guys genuinely do? Would you buy yourself a fancy car? Would you travel? I don't know. What would you guys do if you were millionaires? You don't have to worry about anything else. Genuinely curious. Make an island. Oh, there we go. Safisa, what's up? Please teach me how to trade. Do you actually want to trade, or do you just want to make money quickly? Be careful, it's definitely not the same thing. Now it's looking like a short, just need a shift in structure. I would full port NQ. Good grief, what is with you in full porting? How many millions is a millionaire? Just 1 million? I'd probably buy a few properties and rent them out. If billionaire, I'd sit in offers and businesses and fund the ones I really believe in. Ooh, Louis, that's a very cool idea. I like that. Murmur in? What was your question? Oh, is it Euro USD? Oh, sorry, no, this is the Nasdaq futures. Sorry, I didn't even see it. Invested into real estate rental and scale it with... Okay. And just like that, Zuzu, I was ignoring you, but now you're being irritating. Where are you? Damn, why can't I find you? There you are. Yeah. Hey OTT, what's up? How you doing? Just live a comfortable life under the radar. Ooh. Gim Gim, good morning. Good morning. Anyone that's just hopped on? What's up?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Want to trade and both. Okay, well, both don't go in the same sentence. To get rich quick and trading do not go in the same sentence. It's a marathon, not a sprint. That's the only thing. So with that mindset, it's not gonna work. If you're happy to put hours and hours and hours in, and money into it as well, for, I guess that's low-key putting a long-term investment in yourself, if you think about it. In a way. I don't know. I guess that's one way of looking at it. Then sure. Then 100% I'll help you at least with the basics, because I mean, I'm clearly no pro at this yet. I will never give up because I'm stubborn. But anyways. It don't like parties and loud places. Me either. 8 million ain't enough in this economy. That's rough. My brightest future, I'd probably buy myself a wife. That's sad. Anyways, but hoping to make you money quickly will distract you from the act of work. Hated. Not calling you names. Yeah, I thought you said you were gonna. Aw. Hey. Shout out for the dono. What's happening today? You guys are being absolute sweethearts. I love it. Shout out. You get your own berry. What? You get your own berry. You get your own fireworks for the donation. In the box. If I had like 20 million, like 15 million, I'd probably just travel, go to all the places that I want to go, try my best not to get fat and all the nice food that I'd be eating. That is hilarious. Do you know what's so funny? I even say, people are like, what's your motivation to exercise? I'm like, just so that I can eat whatever I want without getting fat. That's about it. Not that it's just been hard. Thanks, OTT. No, restrict your Discord when you get a chance. Anything else? Sneaky double spring. Rise Inspire? What's up? How you doing? Check. So you know the basics. You want to learn more. Okay, what are the basics you know? So do you know what a Bay Value Gap is, for example? Sorry, I'm just gonna go with that. Agreed. Sadly, I haven't found a way to outrun a bad diet. Yeah, it's rough. It's rough. I'm not gonna lie. But literally, I used to gym hard, and people were like, "What is your motivation?" I'm like, literally, I really like food, and unfortunately for me, I inherited my dad's sweet tooth, so I really like sweets and donuts. Cinnabon. Cinnabon is amazing. Anyways, in order for me to just not blow up, I gotta exercise. That's it. That's my motivation right there. I want to keep eating whatever I want, so gotta exercise. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Exactly. Keto is great for that. Oh no, Hammer doesn't like sweet things. What is wrong with you? I'm not mad. I'm just really sad. Okay, fine. What's your go-to treat then, Hammer? Orange sunrise, that's good for you. Anyways, Dom, good morning. How you doing? Damn, we got a mixed bag of people on here today. Very interesting. Very interesting. Guys, I'm nearly done editing the shark video. It's so cool. I did the voiceover. I sound very meh in it, so I might have to voice over again. But it is so cool. I know Hammer, bullish berry. Anymore. Okay, but please, so do you know what a Fair Value Gap is? But I do like money. Baby, I love sweet and no exercise beyond. Yeah. We broke Bob level up, we go next level up. Long way from Bikini Bottom. What's up, Sandy Andy? How you doing? Okay, so we are kind of stuck in the new daily opening gap and VWAP right now, so that's cool. Hey, it's 4 AM. Come on, give us something good here, please. Or not, that's fine, whatever. So we're almost done. You can see me there. It's definitely not AI. The only thing that I will not lie, my hair low-key looks red. And I was like, that's kind of weird. My hair, for some reason, kind of looked red in the videos, and I was like, huh, can't tell if I like it or not. Maybe I need to just dye my hair red. Would you eat lab-grown meat if real meat was more expensive due to supply shortage? Eddie, probably, yeah. I used to actually be not vegan, pescatarian, because sushi's life. I used to actually be a pescatarian. It just didn't work for me because, and lux, for me, I have a little bit of an iron deficiency, so yeah. It just didn't work out very well. Ocean, what? Don't know data on this. Soon as you teach me. Okay. I'm gonna sadly way too much keto. Honestly, most of my diet is just carbs and protein. Just tell AI to change it. Listen here, boom. Listen here. That grown feels like it would use. I will not be eating printed meat. I don't get all this. Oh gosh. You guys are hilarious. Some people here to copy your trades. I want to learn. To be fair, a lot of people here think heavens are not here to copy trades. Good. Because bad idea. But here we go. Let's see what this now looks like on the 5 minute. Let's get some attention going again. Good engulfing. Good point over here. Up to Asia high is a very nice point of interest. 1.5 minutes to go. Let's quickly do this. I'm not necessarily going to take this because I have to wait for more confirmations before I do. 504 rather. Yeah, this might just be running away without me. Yeah, I still got a minute. Not enough confirmations to look like on the 1 minute. Okay, well, it ran away too quickly on the 1 minute for me to take this. There was not enough confirmations. So I'm not upset with this because there wasn't any confirmations, nothing. I was like, yeah, this is the one. It does look like it's sprinting back up to Asia high though. Options. Nice. Stop losses don't exist. Okay. Anyways, for the next problem, yep. I'm not in this. Just before you guys get excited, I didn't get the confirmations I wanted on the 5 minute. This kind of just ran away without me. It does come back though. Now we got some solid confirmations. Got Asia high and previous day high right above. Seriously, Asia low and equal lows were right there. I really thought it would go for that, but it's fine. It is what it is. Rarig. All right then. Make a new what? I probably eat lamb. Difference is very hard to tell different. Don't have your job your love. Do you know what's so funny? I know exactly what video you are talking about and it is hilarious. See humans alive in space. Humans way home. Let's have them room. It does. Just full port a random trade. You guys are terrible. I mean, this trade was for a while before my loss. I was in it already. Nice, Hammer. Also, wow. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Well done. Let's go. Hit my next Bob's Bob. Awesome. Don't think this thing's coming back. Nope. Nope, there it goes. It just shut off. Tapped into Asia high. Awesome. Well then. First 20%, then 100%. Nope. Hey, Louis, whoop whoop, amazing, well done. So Asia high was officially taken, but now the question is it going to now go and retest, or is it headed for the previous day high? Okay, let's see if this hits full TP as well. I know I'm not in this. I'm not upset about not being in this though, because there was no confirmation on the higher time frames for this. I mean, it would have just been straight up, but whatever. Vizzy, it's in the description below. Okay, it just took out Asia high. So now it's to be on the watch to see if this is now going to just continue back up or if we're going to come back down. So you see a retest and continuation up. I think previous day high was so close. Hammer, it's done that before where it was literally, promise you, how many ticks was it? It was probably 5 ticks away from Asia high. So I took a long to Asia high. Just started dropping. It did not take out that Asia high until 2 days later. The audacity. Oh, I was angry. I was like, excuse me. So rude. Sure. It's not an A+ setup. Can't take it. I have a fair value gap, that's about it. Can't even call this a B setup. We just had major DAX news, which oh, thanks, Debbie. Hey, Stoner Plan, what's up? Bad boy Razzie. What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How you doing? Chris TP, nice. Oh, sorry, we're about to. Got it. Aww. Louis, you're a sweetie pie. Limit in for re-entry. And trading your main stable income. Sanko with lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of hard work. Yes. But lots of hard work is the key word there. Hammer, is your TP previous day high? Hey Jose, what's up? How's it going? So wicks at the top there aren't promising. kind of did earlier. Okay. So I'm just having a quick look at the chart patterns. Personally, when I see 3 wigs, do you mean wicks? Together right next to each other right before my TPAC closed the trade. Ah, there we go. Yeah, I saw that and was also like, that's interesting. Let's see. Maybe it means nothing. I mean, these bottom wicks are promising for bullish, right? Blaze Wavy, what's up? Is there good movement this morning? I mean, cool. I mean, it's not terrible. I did have a little loss earlier, but, you know, it is what it is. Good life is awesomely good. Ah, Jose, I'm glad. Louis? It will reach important pattern. What's the important pattern? Ocean. Hey, Rico! Heck yeah! I trade futures, Nasdaq futures. What about you? Blaze Wavy, be careful with your money. It's 2026. Yes. How do you find... Thank you, Sanko. Me and you both are very confused about the Discord thing. And how do you find ICT? What do you mean, how do you find ICT? They have bots that they create to make trades for them. Louis, I feel like we've missed something here. ICT is hard. But that's why a lot of people, especially OTT, are you still there? OTT is being very quiet. Even OTT said, you know, ICT can work really well. Just try take things that make sense to you and then make it your own. If you try and incorporate everything, it can be a lot and it can be really, really difficult. But if you try and take like some key factors and make it your own, then awesome. Oh, like, oh, it's student plan. Ah, so how I'm finding the strategies. This one, so this is me kind of forward testing something. I wouldn't have been able to get into it. It kind of ran away too quickly unless I'd marked it in, but yeah. This here would be my original setup. See a 1 to 2 hour trade. The ICT comes in with the confluences. So I need confluences for it to reject off of to protect the stop loss. Are you liquidity by chance on the server? Dizzy, what do you mean? This entire chat will lose their money as— oh, I see we have a hater in the chat. What's up, Blaze Wavy? How are you doing? Welcome, welcome. Oh, ICT is copy flows. Yeah. Fine, yeah. I'm wondering if AI is heavily affecting trading. Yeah, I mean, you can chat more specifically to Debbie about that. Debbie will be able to tell you more. Debbie really loves to trade with AI. Do you have any books or blogs? So IDEC films, so in the Discord, I don't know if you have the Discord. Look at that, Bob to Bob, you mother bluffer. Why didn't you do that earlier? Anyways, in the Discord, there is like, maybe I should change it to books and movies or blogs, but there is like book recommendations. No, that's not me. I sent you a loom. What's a loom, Felix? Okay, you hit TP bars wrong. We're closing the trade earlier. Oh, starting to— oh, I'm not in this trade, unfortunately. Also, would have been a banger. I didn't get the confirmation on the higher time frame that I wanted, but it's fine. It's okay. Sad, but it's fine. Oh, there's the previous day high. Okay. There is all this buy side liquidity now. Trained his friend. It wouldn't have tagged me in with my normal strategy. Ah, shoot. See, we're either chopping or running away. That's not ideal for me. Trained his friend until it's not, right? No, Gamesblock is not me. I'm Maya. Maya. Busy. Anyways. Is this your fun? This is my funded, Mr. Ski. What's up? Survey and confidence. Just have a translating busy from the live stream. That's 6680 on ES. Oh, interesting. You get to be right that it actually affects how they learn. Oh, what's up, Grady? Trendline break. It's my friend. I mean, if it works for you, why not? Right? Shoot. Theoretically, that is the trade. Okay. Found you. You are welcome. Man, it looks like so much. Different case, manual trading like 1% here. Okay, rejection happening off of here. Previous day high is right there. I don't know if I would take a long bob to bob here. Dale, is that true? It's going to the moon. Boom, once it hits previous day high though? Do you think it's still gonna go up? I don't know. No, you wouldn't enter that in real time because it just keeps pushing the... How would you enter in real time? This one. Yeah, that's the thing you would have to mark it in. Nikuave, that is the thing. Could have maybe been like, oh, there's a little wick, but and there's the engulfing, and just mark it in maybe at the close. So there. Yeah, that is the thing. You would have to mark it in. Let's try and short it. 578-ish. Thank you, Hammer. You're a sweet pie. I think so. Big push upcoming. 50% fair value gap. Well, what I have here for potential 50% retracement, but yeah, it looks like it's just gonna potentially keep going. Lavender, it's nearly hit. There it hit. Never mind. Huh, damn, Hammer. Okay, you were correct. Previous day high. Looks like we headed there. I would have entered on the rejection side of level if I was you, but that's me. This rejection here. I tried for this, it didn't come back far enough down. Oh, 2 reasons, sorry. So, number 1, didn't come far enough down to tag in. Secondly, it just took out Asia high, so You know, sometimes when it takes liquidity like that, it could start a bit of a reversal. Bullish for me short term, tight swap. Yeah, all 300 contracts traded. Nice. But in seconds already, it'll be half price. Hammer, you full of rubbish. This one here, for a long. Like when it rejected off of the bottom. I mean, it wouldn't be bad. Sorry, special. Well, 600. Got a lot of people's TP. That was a bit of a solid rejection there. Okay. And below, you want to see a bit more of a rejection here. Breakdown is finally back at all-time highs. There we go. Short off that large order worked really good. Keeping our stuff small and in a safe place. Having a quick scalp. What, to the short side? Off of this order block here. So I'm low-key checking. Now this actually could be going short. Maybe not for very long, but this could be going short. See, this is where it gets dangerous for me. When I can start being like, oh, I should just mark it in. Because believe me, I do dumb things. Oh my gosh, I do dumb things. I'm watching this rejection now. Hey, nice! Trailing just to pull back. I think my price pushes down and retest. I'd be short. Could be 50 in that work. Lavender, you think this is just a quick rejection play? Well, rejected off of the level. Let's see how it reacts here. Look like on the 5-minute now. Shoot. Literally rejected off of both. That's great. Rejection there. Talk about the small pullback. I'm a scalper. Oh, okay, yeah, Lavender. I forgot. Like, you're in and out, like, quick here. But now you think this is gonna continue up, right? What is low-key frustrating? This does look like a good trade, but I'm not so convinced just yet. I'm not sure 50-50 from here, really. Yeah, that's literally how I'm feeling right now. This could go and do either. Oh, it just keeps growing. Oh my gosh. You sound like me. But you just have to keep on keeping on, right? That's the only way to do it. Keep on keeping on. Take the trade for put. We ain't full porting nothing. Okay, so I was quickly checking something. Let's see what happens here. Oh, if the start's pushing up nicely. We seem to have lost some volume. In it for re-entry sending. Send signal to him. It's something I can full port on a demo. There we go. David's not even a trader, Hammer. I'm just saying. But there we go, why not? Full port on demo. Are you actually gonna full port on demo, Hammer? That's hilarious. Please tell me how it goes. What if there's a bug in like the one that lost me 5p on paper? Why? Wait, what? Why don't you do it then? I'm very confused. Good rejection. Okay, we're in a bit of a weird spot now. Literally a bit of a weird spot. What's up, Liam? How you doing? How goes it? Notepad. There we go. Ironically, this is the trade short. Oh, shout out to David. You're an absolute shock. I'm not full porting. Good grief. That's bad. Slow down fast up is not bad, but that wick rejection off of the 50% of that level is not ideal either. Oh no. Hey, juicing super. What's up? Think of the sharks. No time the bug is completely demolished an account. Oh. A fixed range on how much on training. Top 3 most important tools in training. We need juice. You can swim with sharks, you can full port. I feel like that's a very different situation. Just saying. And full port bad. Full porting is bad. Don't do that. That's gambling. We are not gamblers. We are traders. There is a difference. That was a decent retest. It keeps respecting the 50%. This could be a potential short. How does it look on the 5-minute? Nah, I think it's gonna break above now. Then again, let's not jump to conclusions. Okay, respect it again. Wants to break above, sellers are just not letting it. Aw, it is what it is, what's up? And missed that obvious long. Live sound? Explain, please. Hey, this will need a cup of tea. Grandpa for the emotional support. Oh gosh. This is just for Hannah.
Emotional damage.
Just for you. You know what's funny? I would not have been tagged in. This would have been my tag in for a long, by the way. Okay, I did not get that rejection. What does it look like on the 5-minute? Yep. Oh, we still have 44 seconds though on the 5-minute. Let's see what this does here. I was just finishing my message above. Oh, still no 1-minute fair value gap, including 5-minute fair value gap. I think we'll be going back down to EQ before we do anything else long, but need some confirmation on anything now. I'm just pissed I woke up late. Wait a moment, what's up, Gok? Hold with tight stop after session in. We'll be fishing outside. I might miss half that, okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nah, there was a close above. It's not the rejection you want to be seeing off that 50%. Okay. Not a big fan of the shorts anymore. This could be going back up now. Right, but if we do, it might be a huge jump up. Dale, that's what I'm kind of watching. Give me a second. I see I froze at that point. Give me a moment. It's been doing this the past 2 days. It's very irritating. Fish. Fish. Oh, wait. Oh, damn. I'm back. Okay. Now I'm going. Okay, holy moly, holy cow, oh my gosh, what the heck? Okay, I see I missed that. Don't look so disappointed in me. Ba-da-ba-ba. Seeing entry TP short. Yeah, that would have sucked. Literally. I mean, that definitely would have been the entry for the short. Let's see if this would have worked out. If not, that is a clear sign that clearly we're not bob to bob today. Also, what just happened here? Was there news? Did someone tweet something? Seriously? OTT? Yes. Chris gonna go chill. Nice. Enjoy. Clearly the sellers took over here. That's right at that point. Oh shoot, did go back and tag in. What the heck is going on today? That was a good rejection. That was a very good rejection of that bob level. But seriously, what is happening? Why is it so volatile? That just blew. No, Maria, what happened? No, interest rate is really common. This is insane. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the volatility. Oh, nearly died. Okay. We're fine, we're fine. I'm gonna wait until the volatility just calms down slightly. Seriously, what the heck, man? I think one of Iran's nuclear sites was currently struck. I thought things were calming down. Are they not calming down? Was that fake news? So things are not calming down? Yo, 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 what's up? Okay then. Hey Culture Wave, how you doing? How's it going? Hope you're doing amazing. I'm just watching this chaos play out and I'm just low-key glad I'm not in it right now. Maria, to be fair, where's Maria gone? Maria, are you still there? Hey, is it Filoni? I had a position there. Unfortunately, it didn't work out. That's fine. This, it didn't take, but also I did not get a confirmation on the 5 minutes that I wanted to see. Let's look on the 15 minute. Okay. This is very volatile right now. Let's see what happens. I've seen women trade since y'all don't drag your ego through trading like most of Damn, yo, yo, yo.
Emotional damage.
Not for me though, but for everyone else. That was intense. Anyways, last night I had a dream. Oil went to the moon. This is not financial advice. The article said that send the missile. Don't know if we're sending any on the. Oh gosh. Okay. Yeah, still here. Oh, Maria, don't worry. Listen, if I was in that probably would have blown my funded account. So it's okay, right? Things happen. How long have you been trading for, Maria? It's still rejecting off of that level. Okay, it's a little bit volatile. I'm gonna go hands off for a little bit. Wait for it to calm down. Your revengeful port my second account. Good grief. Maria, where are you from? About 8 months now. Oh damn! And how's it been going? I found out Trump doing insider trading just before his tweet. Yeah, that makes sense. I kind of thought it. I think I actually said it on the live and then took it back really quickly because let's not get in trouble here. But that makes sense. That's about all we're going to be able to afford soon, David. But that's okay. We just continue. We just carry on carrying on. Rejected, rejected, rejected. Okay. Here we go. Oh, the shorts now coming to play. Yep. Gonna hit the support level though. Let's see how it reacts off of the support zone. What a crazy market to be trading in, guys. This is insane. Of course, this one's not going to work out. Oh, got it. OTT, I'm glad you asked. I was just like, what is that? What? Huh? OTT, are you good? You just on the side watching. You're not taking any trades, right? You're waiting for later? Gathered. Other grocery stores still stocked. I see a girl from Aussie post that they were empty. Not bad, I've gotten my first payout and my first fund about 2 weeks ago. Damn, Maria, you're doing better than me. Well done. Sure. How long did you backtest and things before you started trading? That would be nice. We learn, but we move on. Exactly, Maria. Damn, you sound like you're doing a freaking brilliant job, though. Well done. Seriously, well done. Doing better than me. Respect. Catch up in my journal. OTT, out of curiosity, right? don't take this the wrong way. I'm just curious. Do you ever go outside and see the sunlight? Are you like a vampire? Just, you know, out of curiosity, because, well, you know. I'm genuinely just curious right now. But thinking of trading London again though, yeah. Hammer's full of rubbish, Maria? Do not listen to him. Anyone in the chat pressured by their go. Okay, OTT, tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong, I'll wait. Hammer's having way too much fun. Curious or concerned? A little bit of both. A little bit of both, OTT. No joke. Yeah. I'm curious and concerned. This market's making me want to bash my head against a wall. I think we go to zone 1 and go up. Yeah, let's see, Dom. I'm waiting, OTT. I'm waiting for an answer. Also, did you listen to what the girl said? What did she say? Please tell me it was funny and that you blocked her. Or what did you respond? Hey Anthony, what's up? How are you doing? I do go out, but I'm always here. I don't know. Okay, out where? Like going out to, again, sunshine? Like sunny areas, or do you just, I don't know. About 45 months back testing, but took the risk after I felt confident enough. That's not bad, nice. And what strategy do you use, Maria? OTT, you need friends. Oh, David, be nice to OTT. He has a friend. He has a big sister. And he has friends. What do you think this whole community is? This is a community of friends. She was like, then if you're going... Oh yeah, but they're going with other guys. Who's taking them, and prob's gonna be a lot. So was she asking you to go with her, or did she just want you to buy? That makes no sense, OTT. This chickie boo makes no sense. Anyways, she makes great expressions. I do. No, YouTube is my best friend and free as well. There we go, Maria. Oh, it got very easy equities account running and go thinking serious rehab was a negative equity. I'm trying to figure out how to sell my info. Anthony, I mean, look at me in my drawdown. I'm this close to blowing the account, but we continue. We continue. ICT, of course. Oh, of course. My bad. Look at this cool long movement. Okay, I'm gonna watch the cool long movement. Ocean. Oh no, OTT. So she was literally using you for you to buy her a ticket and so that she wasn't alone. Please say you blocked her or did something like that. Please, 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 please. So I see these trades are now working out slowly but surely. Again, not loving this price action, not enough volume. This might not reach bob to bob level. Hey, Oxygen, what's up? So this one is my own market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. So basically a retracement back to the 50% and then down to R, but I didn't take it because I didn't quite like the volatility that was going on. And this one here is one that I'm still kind of forward testing. The bob to bob level. It did crash on Monday. Yeah. It's so immature as well. Pissed me off. Good. That. Oh my gosh. Like, it's so bad that it's funny. Does that make sense? It's so bad that it's funny. Okay, about to take the low. There we go. So here I would have been break even and partial taken. And there I would have been full TP. See if this keeps going down to Bob. Still have an hour, maybe there's another opportunity. You're welcome, I with a sticker. Normally they don't like it. Ocean, is this the long move? What do you mean bang on? You said it was a long movement. This is a short movement right here. How you'll go if she hooks up. Life would be different. I want to go to this together. The reason I found out she needed money for the ticket. Wow, rough. Rough. Apparently it's now not teach my cooking, it's now teach my dating. Wow, we've had like a plethora of conversations today. David. Can I start with 50 bucks? Gunsmoke? Theoretically, yeah. Anyways. This is fun. This is fun to watch right now. I would rather full pot and Q, wouldn't it be dirty like that? How much do you think it would make with just 50? Gunsmoke, that 50 would be just to buy a prop account. So nothing yet. My house trading going. Hey, Untaint. Well, I'm... Yeah. I'm okay. I'm okay. Okay, so the full range would not have worked. So I was low-key correct in the fact that it took out Asia high and now we had a little bit of a drop down, which is fine. Didn't get into this because of the volatility. It was also a B setup. Yeah, it was a B setup. This bob to bob. Yeah. Didn't like that it wanted to break above, but that drop down was insane. Aw, thank you. I appreciate it. I don't know. Is it? She's not okay. No, OTT, I'm not okay. I'm fine. I'm fine. there's just a little bit of a
emotional damage
going on right now, but I'm fine. I'm fine. If you guys watch Friends, then you'll understand that. Mr. CEO, what pair is this? Nasdaq future, so not a pair. Ah, sorry, Hammer. You gotta be a mean bird for that.
That's what she said.
There we go. Look at your stop on the trade drawing. How many ticks is it showing for your stop? This one. Oh, this one. Thank you. Okay. We still have an hour. We still have an opportunity. Whoa, wait. This could go back up one more time. This could go back up one more time. Maybe tap into the new daily opening gap. Maybe tap into VWAP and then go back up. Ooh, okay. Okay. Getting a bit excited here. Let's see. Maybe. If this is going bob to bob really well now. Potentially. Don't rush into it yet. Yo, wait, what? What? Anyways. I see what you mean. Mikurabe, what the heck? Why is it doing that? Tapped in there. Other. I'll try 2006. Yep, I agree. What? We had two nice movements this morning. A long and your short. Well, I didn't take that short, but yep. Yep. 34, 33, 32, 31. Okay, 30 seconds to go. Tapping into there. Wait. Wait for 5 a.m. Four, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what 5 a.m. brings. My alarm saying it's 5 a.m. I mean, well, 5 a.m. EST time. Good rejection. See after this retest what it does. Tapped into there, tapped into there. Okay, it's now 5 a.m. officially. Might want to retest slightly and then go back up. If not, it technically, theoretically, would want to go for the highs. Oh, this morning. Oh, right. I forgot about the tick size. Yeah. My bad. I forgot about that. I did see it this morning, OTT. I did see it this morning. My bad. I forgot. Mikurabe. There we go. Shoot. Guys, do I do this? If I take this for one, Okay, well, maybe it's gone now. Probably gonna create a bottom wick and then go up for more, especially with how bullish it's been since London Open. Come on. By the way, come get me, come get me, come get me. Nice. Come tag me in. Come tag me in. Okay, well, I'm in. One contract. Let's see what it does. I have this below, I have this below. It's not bad stop loss. Now it's hands off. But I took it. That's the important thing. Ash Reynolds, what's up? There's a new file account, so that's probably going to create a bottom wick and then, especially with how bullish it's been since London Open. What's up, Ash? How you doing? How would I bring this to masses without getting popped by the government? Ooh, Eddie, no idea. Why don't you take a trade manually? No, thanks. I don't trust myself to do that. Maybe that's just it. That's good, that's good. Out of curiosity, right, is your full name Ashley? This is a two-part question. Okay, and then the second part of the question is, are you male or female? Hope you don't mind me asking. London's female. 60, so there'll be some resistance there. I become billionaire, I'm gonna buy a YouTube 9. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Okay. We have two Ashleys that are guys here. That is awesome. I love it. OTT, you're not alone. Why are there so many Ashleys? I'm not special anymore. You are so special, OTT. You know you're special. Where am I based? I'm in South Africa. Where are you from, Ash? OTT, there might be many Ashleys, but there's only one OTT. London. Oh my gosh, my best friend lives in London. That is so cool. I do miss her. And I would love to go and visit, but good golly grief, things are expensive. Move TP more up, catch this trade. Nah, I'm sticking to the rules. Sticking to them rules, that's all you can do. Yeah. but we are in this. Need the volume to keep going though. Hacker Offman, what's up? How you doing? Why are we doing that? Bit of a rejection off of there. Do. Great, that's now stuck in my head. Thanks. Thanks for that. You know what I did not sort out? Can sort it out after this trade. I'll accept this trade if you full port. I am not full porting. Good grief, David. What is with you in full porting? I will full port if one day you get a prop and you full port everything. How about that? It's dangerous to full port. Bad idea. Ray Charles can see that protection. No rules, but you can try move stop loss. Have a tighter stop loss. Yes, at London VWAP as well right now. Do you have different VWAP settings, Lavender? Cause mine is there. Oh wait, you have specific. I see, you have like London VWAP settings. Right? Okay, so you have VWAPs for each setting. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Do they tend to respect it more? That's actually very interesting. Do they respect the sessions VWAP more than the general one? Never really thought about it. Yeah, Lavender? Yeah, out of curiosity, does it tend to respect it more or meh? Is there any key value like we price when I retest and continue? I mean, there is previous day up above and a bunch of liquidity that was taken up above. So let's see. See, part of me now is tempted to move this to break even. Because I think if it does come back down, you want that volume. But then rules say hands off. Hey, yep. Table man. What's up? Those wicks, they make me say, nope, let's do this. I know maybe it's a bad idea, maybe this is then going to continue afterwards, but let's protect the capital we have. Am I in trading view? I am. VIX is dropping, so it's looking good. Let's see, it would be nice for it to keep going. Aw, thanks, Lance. Always nice to just know where the fair value is across all sessions as separate things. I find it does respect well across sessions. Okay, hear me out, Lavender. Is that just not too much information? I was analyzing this trade, and if you change your strategy something less rigid, you could earn. Yeah, I hear you, Dom. Okay. Either way, this is now a hands-off trade, so that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. Now issue. ICT is definition of too much information though. Because I'm a scalper, I was looking for the next instant reverse point, so for longer trades maybe it is. Oh, okay, I guess that's... Like, Lavender, what time frame do you trade on? I'm pretty sure you've told me before. And how long do you normally stay in a trade? If I'm not mistaken, you were in like quick, right? I mean, the other day you said you took 28 trades in a day. How many trades do you normally take a day? I'm happy that the chart low-key wants to prove David wrong right now. Just saying. And just because I said that, it's probably gonna now come and prove me wrong, but that's not the point. Okay, let's see. You wanted to break above this level now. Not quite what I had in mind, but okay. I don't trade time frame, I trade down when the trades are usually 5 to 30 seconds. Yep. I say about 50 to 100 trades a day. 50 to 100 trades a day. Come again? It is. OTT, this is bump to bump. What are your thoughts? Order flow really. So I don't really look at time frame charts, just levels and order flow. Okay, that's valid. Angel ain't what? Dom, what's up? My brain malfunction. Okay, cool. Ash Reynolds, exactly. We're both like, that's nice. That's nice. Oh, okay. You're talking to Lavender. Okay. I'm gonna walk away for a second. Also, I'm gonna do something dumb, like trail my stop loss. Either way, it's safe here. I'm gonna walk and then come back. Watch it. Watch it. Uh-oh. Why I say uh-oh? 50 is just way too much. I only take 49 trades a day. IDEC films, that was freaking hilarious. Anyways. Oh my gosh. About 59, but with a profit factor of around 1.98. I need to build a lot that time. Second time frame, making 100 trades per day. Pro traders don't use charts, candlesticks at all, order flow only to for seasoned floor traders. Oh, well done! Pass today! Whoop whoop! Had to burn through 7 funding house learn that sometimes the rules need to be changed, not just ignored. Hey, I did. I'm in this trade right now. Just kidding, I actually just took my first trade in like 2 weeks. Oh man, you guys are funny. Oh no. Come on. Yeah, I took 2. Unfortunately, one was a loss earlier. Yeah. You can see this one was unfortunately a loss. It is what it is. Didn't take this because it just ran off, didn't get confirmation. I theoretically should have taken this, but I mean, it was then very, very volatile. And we are now in this. So yeah. Don't encourage him. Good grief. Don't encourage him. Might be insane, but I promise you'll be able to do it. Averaging 3. What, Eddie? What did you just say? Like, Eddie, have you done backtesting and stuff for that? That sounds insane. Also, that doesn't sound quite right. Are you sure about that? You know what I need to do. Okay. He said some AI market research firm that's been running. It's a trend following play. Hope it plays out. Hey, Peace Ninja. Well, I'm on a funded account. The funded account is going fine, I guess. But yes, Lavender seems like a profitable female trainer. Maybe she's a good connect for you. Yeah, Lance. I mean, there's Lavender. There's also Iris. I don't know if you guys have checked out Iris. She also streams live. She's very, very cool. Euro USD is up. No idea, Samsung. Who's trading Euro USD? Is it up? How's it looking? Good, bad, ugly, meh, meh. Let's see. Come on, break above. Come on, break above. You've got this. You've got this. I don't know how to sweet talk the charts. Who's good at sweet talking the charts? What do you guys do? I'm trading Euro and for me it's meh. Oh no. More capital for investments analyze. Yeah, Dom, I don't know. It's been debates I've had with plenty of people, plenty of times. Literally, it's been the ongoing debate. Wave hands like the last time. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Woo 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 woo. Whoosha whoosha whoosha. Guys, if this starts working, this is gonna be my thing.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Trades in Tanya, but you're the only. Ah, that's cool. I'm backtesting on the 1 minute. It looks like it can give me 500 plus wins in 30 seconds. Should be more. I need to do it manually first. I say yes, 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 yes. When that trade is going my way. No, 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 no. Wolves! Yeah, no, 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 wrong way, wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. Go back up. The woo woo. 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 Maybe it only works if I'm doing it for other people. Some people say that Forex is a scam. Why is that? I actually don't know. I'm not actually sure. How about maybe you need to wiggle your fingers at the charts and see if it works. Oh, this might be the rejection. Oh well. It's fine. way. Only if you buy my calls. Wow. Is it free for the next 5 seconds? 1, 2. Heard the banks manipulate the forex market, but I think that can happen with any market. Isn't it more difficult to find a good broker? That's my understanding when it comes to forex. Why are we whooping? Is this gold? No, egg. This is the Nasdaq futures. Central gas and gold futures double top inflation as is doubled. Huh. Interesting. But no, this is not gold. This do be the Nasdaq futures. Should we do butterfly of the day while we're waiting? I feel like we might as well do butterfly of the day while we're waiting. Either it's gonna take me out. Just because I said that. This might come take me out. And then we'll just do butterfly of the day. At least I took it. That's all I'm gonna say. At least I took this trade. Yep. Why are you making me regret taking this? Well, no, not regret. No regret. If you know where that's from. Awesome. Next specials only after my next winning trade. Damn! Damn, Hammer! Well, you got it moving, David. And... out. Okay, but... break even. Not bad, not bad. If this mother fluffer starts going up. There will be no silly goose, there'll only be a grumpy goose. $4, guys. Oh my gosh. $4. Awesome. No, wait, let's just be real. It was $4.10. Just saying. Okay, let's see if this goes back up just now. But anyways, go on, buy ice cream. Thank you. Not even a coffee. Well, no, in South Africa, that's a decent coffee. $4 is enough for the day. Thank you. Thank you. For $4, you can buy a gallon of gas. I see, winning. What time is it in South Africa right now? It's 11:25 in the morning. Okie dokie. On that note, let's do butterfly of the day. Are we ready? Butterfly of the day. Da, 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 da. New York has been having banger butterflies, can I just say. London, so let's see, maybe today. Oh, we have a green one. Oh my gosh, this one's very pretty. Okay, you guys have a goodie. Mottled green nymph. How pretty is this butterfly? Oh my gosh. Okay, ignore the frog and things, but the look at it. We check the outside, it's brown and boring, and then on the inside it's green. Okay, this one is like nearly one of my favorites, just gonna say. Wingspan of 48 to 65 millimeters. Damn, okay, so it's biggish as well. Glides with open wings, centimeters above the ground on shady forest paths. So distribution is marginal in South Africa, in lowland and riverine forest of KwaZulu-Natal. Ooh. Oh, I don't think it's anywhere near me. Cozy Bay and Pangola. And further north. Okay, so habitat is forest edges. Flight period is year-round, but usually only seen March to June. Okay, I'm gonna try and say the Latin name. I'm so bad at this. The Latin name is Euryphera Achilles. I'm gonna pretend like I nailed that. Okay, this is one of my favorite butterflies so far. This butterfly of the day is amazing. Cool, okay. Back to the mother fluffer. Sorry. I'm gonna lose my it soon. Was spot Hey Philip was a great example of respecting the London VWAP. Now looks like we're headed to the regular VWAP. Yep. I'm more interested in that frog, that's mean. Thank you, Tyler. That's beautiful. But the frog is what's up, Abraham? Thank you, David. I appreciate it. I'm only good at turtle, but I genuinely think my painted turtle that's mixed with the snapper is beautiful too. I'm gonna try to paint him a nice. Okay, well, let's see what this does now. At least I made back $4. Just saying, you know. Pink Bugatti's around the corner, if I do say so myself. I'm still obviously just talking absolute nonsense. But at least I took the trade. At least I took the trade. That is the only thing that matters right now. I did it. I took 2 trades. Good trade, break even. Oh, thank you, Basu. What's up? How you doing, by the way? Wait, let me just move it to there, to where it went break even. Mark that out there. Okay, I see volume has died down slightly. We still have 30 minutes, but let's see. Hey, Geordie. Yes and no. I had a little loss earlier. And now a break even. So, you know, I don't mean to brag. I did lose money. But with this trade, I'm up $4.10. So, you know, everyone calm down. You made enough by a... I don't know what that is, David. It's a big achievement for us who suffer from the fear of losing. Yeah, no, it is. Especially, so yesterday in particular, I don't know why it was extra yesterday, but yesterday I was literally having just the fear of taking trades. I literally felt like I couldn't even take it. Okay, Dom, if you ask why I don't move break even and stuff, watch this go and hit TP now. Anyways, I was on short alone. Sorry. Nice, you're balling. I know, Dottie. Right? After this hits the bottom level, I will kind of... be grumpy. But that being said, it's done. It's done now. I took the trade. It's fine. Moved it to break even. Also fine. You just go hands off now. I have a song stuck in my head and it's driving me crazy. But I guess in the same breath it is what it is. Ba-deep-doop-doop. Hey Moonshine, welcome back. How you doing? No, it's not that song. I was about to say, why are we doing that song now? What now? What happened now? No idea who that is. I'll be honest, the price action ain't that nice. It's just winding up and down with no clear direction, a little bit. So yeah, Mikuwabe, I don't know, maybe it was a bad idea to go break even, maybe it was a good idea to go break even, but yeah. So Mikuwabe, in this case, 1-to-1. No, 1-to-1, no, 1-to-1 would have hit. I think. Potentially may have just missed. What's that song called? I like the beat. I'm actually not sure. We're going down, I hope. Are you in a short? Eh? I'd be in this for short, but it just ain't pushing my 1-to-1s would have hit. I feel like this is just going to be a little bit meh now. We had the 2 decent pushes and now it's kind of like, yeah, done. I just really don't want to be a 1-to-1 trader. Why? Mikuwabe? Why? Seriously, why do you not want to be a 1-to-1 trader? I know because there's like a bit of a stereotype behind it, but if the win rate is high enough, does it matter? Genuinely asking, guys, if you have a 1-to-1R strategy, but let's say your win rate is like 85%. One-to-one is scary because I have to have a higher win rate. Yep, and it's more stress on your account when you hit a losing streak. Yes, it's a bit of a catch-22, I feel. It's a bit of a tricky one. Win rate. No, IDEC films. I'm saying if you had it like an 85% win rate with a 1-to-1R strategy. Is there a problem with that? Is there a problem with then trading 1-to-1R? Are you freaking kidding me? Yo, you better drop back down. Drop back down. I want you to drop back down now. It'll make me less stressed. Finding an 80% hit rate is hard work. Already have 1-to-1 and 65 to 70 win rate, and I passed 2 evals this week. There we go. The problem is it's not 100%. There is no such thing as a 100% win rate. With 1 to 2.5, I can risk less, gain more, and when I do lose my risk, this will take stress on my profits. Why do I always want a 2.5R? Why not like then just a 2R? Haven't had a red day in 2 months. 1-to-1 only for who are not good at psychology and having very good win rate. Why are they bad at psychology, Vasu? No one has a thank you. According to my old mentor's Twitter, he never states a loss. So he's on a 3-year win streak. That sounds questionable. That doesn't sound quite right. A 3-year win streak. Okay, cool. Just checking. I'm like, what? A 3-year win streak is insane. I don't think there's such thing as a 3-year win streak. Especially not in these freaking market conditions. Can you imagine? One to 3 RR, 80% win rate. That's insane. And hey, Dev Josh, what's up? How you doing? How's it going? Good morning, good morning. Slash nearly good afternoon from my side.
Hi. Hi. Good morning. What's up?
Never started a 60-70 win streak, but never stayed at a loss on this live Twitter feed. Oh shoot, wait, I didn't post this in Discord. Sorry, that actually just reminded me. For those of you wondering, I post everything. Every single trade I take is on Discord. You know, so there's no sugarcoating anything. You can see had 2 losses this break even. Before that I had a partial win break even. Before that I had 1 loss and then a win. Before that was a win, and you get the idea. Then I actually had like a 2, 3, 4, 5. Gosh guys, that lesson streak, not a losing streak, a learning streak was rough. Go mostly break, even though. Oh, there we go. Okay, so just hear me out. If your strategy was 1 to 2R, would it be full TP? Oh my gosh, it is. It's Mojo Jojoing. Well observed there. We got a Mojo Jojo in the house. Okay, pushing to the sell side. Well observed, well observed. 3 win streak, but he must pull off. What's the little damn barracuda? Time flies, great stream as always. Oh, thanks, Mike. You're so sweet. Planet, how many years does it take for a beginner to become profitable in trading? It really depends. Maria was here earlier. She's been trading for 8 months. Apparently she's had some payouts and stuff. I've been trading for nearly a year. I have not. So I'm not profitable yet. I'm not shy or afraid to admit that. I've heard of some people that only became profitable after 3 years. I know some people that were only at around 5 years they became profitable. I know some people that after 6 months kind of became profitable. So it all depends on who you are as a person and. You know, that's just a break. I know 100% it's just a breakout strategy. Oh, thanks, Goldcheck. Thank you for a sweetie pie. Okay, so this is leaning more towards the short side, which makes me feel a little bit better. A little bit better about the breaky even over there. Let's see if this... It is just a breakout. You are not wrong, Mikuave. But 100% guys, when I say this is a joke, it is a joke. Okay, so please guys, I don't trade this, I don't do this. I literally do this as a joke. So yeah. You're waiting broke. Yo. Brilliant. And so the only thing I've learned from doing this consistently is that everybody has their own way of looking at it and interpreting it. It being charts, yeah. Atlanta, I agree. Everyone sees it differently. Everyone looks for different things. Sorry. No one is incorrect. You know, you could be right for looking for those, but maybe you just missed something else, you know. For me, the only people that are incorrect in trading are the ones that try and like shove their opinions on you or are just negative about everything. Then I'm like, okay. And to be fair, the people that I then like instant red flag when it comes to traders, if they're like, oh, you know, I have a 100% win rate, then I'm like, nope. All strategy is by far the most profitable strategy. Trader in motion. Which one? 5, 15? Which one? Watch RBN either. Yeah, trader in motion. Which orb? 5, 15. I've tried it. I just didn't. I don't know, it just didn't work for me. I have tried the orb before. I do still take note of the 5 and the 15-minute orb during New York. I don't know. Just something about it just didn't quite click. Crypto Tux, what's up? Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. How are you doing? How goes it? How goes it? Okay, so we broke below. Mojo Jojo. Let's see what it does here. Like I said, guys, this is a joke. I do not actually trade like this. This is not my trading strategy. I legitimately do this as a joke and called it the Mojo Jojo because of the X and power. I don't actually know how we got there, but it's Mojo Jojo. To be fair, the orb has been horrible for like 3 weeks. Interesting. I sound American, really? So Dom, you're gonna go long when it's broken. It broke below. This theoretically should be going down now. I've heard I sound American, I've heard I sound British, I've heard I sound Australian, but that kind of makes sense. I think Australians and South Africans sound very similar. Yeah. I'm apparently just a mixed bag. I'll accept it. You sound Cape Townian. What? That is so funny because I've never been to Cape Town. Literally never. That's why you're trading in non-US market. Well, I am South African, but I'm not from Cape Town. But yes, I'm still gonna trade the New York session, by the way. I just, yeah, I trade both. I trade London and New York. As an American, you do not sound American. Thank you. That's a good thing. The Science Globe, what's up? Oh, okay. And here Planet says I sound American more than Australian. Maybe it's just because I hear only an accent, but I feel like the American accent is so boring. I mean, no, I think it's because you hear it all the time, because I would say the South African accent is quite boring, but it's because it's what I always hear, obviously. Volume looking flat. A little bit. Danny? What's my win rate? It used to be like 64%. Then chaos happened and it jumped down to like 45%. It's back up to 52% though, so that's not bad. It's getting better. 3 candles more to break X. How does an American accent sound? Everybody sounds the same to me. OTT? So, you know, everyone judges me because I cannot... Like, I can't do accents, and I cannot recognize accents because... Like, I can hear there's an accent, but I cannot, like, say, ah, I hear you have this accent. Unless you're being, like, super obvious about it. Or doing, like, stereotypical things. Then it's like, oh, okay, yes, I know where you're from. But otherwise, I would have no clue. I would have no idea. And my friends always love to tease me. Down we go. Cool. It makes me feel a little bit better. Okay. Yeah, orb strategy is mainly for New York, but that's with other confluences. No, so I do the orb in New York. Trade in motion. Doesn't always work. I like when it has a lot of volume in the markets. No, valid. And I mean, Lavender, like you said, the last 3 weeks have actually just not had anything. Just anything. So I watch cricket. I do not watch cricket. I can always guess this true. Always guess this true. Know what I'm saying, mate. There we go. So for you, it's the mate. Right, that's the part that gets you for if it's an Australian accent or not, if they say mate. I trade Trump's tweets. What's up, Spirit Time? How you doing? Did you see I did pop you a little message on Discord, didn't I? Have I ever tried trading using bots? No. I have not. But I have made up my mind. I will go to that trading fair. I mean, it's in August. It's still far away. Is it? Yes, March. We're nearly... We are nearly in April. It's nearly Easter. Know what that means. Gotta exercise more so I can eat all the chocolates. Don't just need a 33% win rate to be profitable on 1 to 2 R. 33% sounds too low. Hi. To be fair, hear me out. I took this because this was a solid bob to bob level down. It just didn't work out, and then I missed that one, but then I took my normal strategy because it worked out beautifully. It just then didn't work. Obviously, did not work out beautifully. This ran away without me being able to even get in there. If you look at the 5 minute, there was no confirmation of nothing. It just skyrocketed off. And this one, I don't actually have an excuse for this one. I should have taken this one, but I did take this one. And I went break even for it though, because we did lose volume. But I did take this one. Such a... Oh my gosh, I still have the poll though. I actually forgot about that. I forgot there was a poll being run at the moment. Okay, so futures appears to... Oh my goodness, this has been going the whole stream. Okay, so futures is the winner. Only by 60% on the one, but 82% on the other. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay, so futures wins. I'm dusting off the streaming setup. Ah! Are you gonna start streaming? That is so cool. You can't... No, I know, Bob, but point is... I still took it. Right? I feel like that is the point. I took 2 trades today. I did move break even, which I know technically shouldn't have done. But the volume died. If you want to see it push, you want to see it push properly, and it died. %33% is break even too. Oh, there we go. I'll just drop you Pro Max because I've seen enough. Why are you yelling at me? Good grief. Biases as futures channel. Yeah, true. That is valid. I did for a while last year. Why did you stop, Spirit Time? Reversal, we are in the middle of the X. I actually never taken that into consideration. Anyways, I'm out. See you guys in New York. Cheers, life sound. Well, to be fair. Oh gosh. I have to go soon too. Pity. Oh well. How summer monkeys are happy on a single day win. What? Ocean? Ocean? What? I always miss the stream. No, Nene. What's up? What time is it there for you? I mean, that would also kind of make sense. Tis nearly time. Family comes first. That's valid. That's valid. I get it. Almost 3 AM. Good grief. Okay. Well, then, I mean, hopefully you'll be there for the New York. Then hopefully it's a normal time of day. Good grief. Have I finished? No, I took a little bit of a break from Dragon Ball and then I was binge watching. I'm going through a bit of a weird phase. You know when you start binge watching and then you get and you keep binge watching different things? So I've been binge watching New Girl, which is hilarious. Oh my gosh. Anyways, New Girl, and then I was binge watching The Middle. There was a phase where I started binge watching Bones. Yeah, so it happens. It happens. Yeah, okay, looks like it's time. Thank you, Geordie. Only thing worth watching related to anime is the new One Piece live action. Can I just say, do you know what I actually want to watch again? So I watched up to a certain point, but I didn't finish it. It's Apothecary Diaries. I actually think that's one of my top animes. I'm not gonna lie. Apothecary Diaries is freaking awesome. The art style, the humor, just all of it. It is so good. Yeah. I mean, my top animes probably be Seven Deadly Sins, probably just because it was the one that kind of got me into anime. Then Delicious in Dungeon, really, really funny. Apothecary Diaries, definitely. Attack on Titan was really, really good. Would it be one of my tops though? Probably. And then I feel like I'm missing, well, I've watched a bunch, but I feel like I'm missing some of my top ones now. That's gonna bug me. She's funny too, especially when yes, Jordy, she's hilarious. Remember Bob's Bob in New York? Yep. I have not seen that, Jordy. Apothecary Diaries is one with the silver haired. No. He does not have silver hair. Right, is proper into animes. Gets through like 3 weeks. Ooh, what's her favorite one, Mikuabe? Now I'm curious. Oh, that's another one. Jujutsu Kaisen. Oh my gosh. Yep. Anyways, is that the one with the silver haired guy? Maybe that's what you're thinking of. Sorry, okay. That clearly clearly we're done with the trading for today because we've now started talking about anime. So I am then going to call it there, seeing as discussions have changed completely. One Piece is okay. Isn't it just too hectic? Like, too long, Geordie? Tokyo. Yeah, I feel like One Piece is just... I get bored watching anime. Well, no, that's a lie. I get bored watching things that just are too long. So One Piece probably will not then be good for me. Your favorite is Don and Franks. I'm gonna have to check that out now. Okay. I'm gonna call it there then. You guys are amazing. Thank you for joining. I love you guys madly. I'll be back for New York. Be brave today, right? Gotta be brave today. Gotta take them trades. Let's do this. Gotta just be brave. 1 micro. That's all it is. Okay. I love you guys. I will then see you later. Trade safe if you're still trading this. If not, see you for New York Open. I love you guys madly.